welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm going to be doing a Pokemon from the Pokemon series, and it is a psychic type Pokemon that is one of the EEVEE evolution. Can you guess which Pokemon it is? Well, let me tell you, it's ESPEON. To start, we're going to start by drawing ESPEON's head. So it has a pretty round head, and then I'm going to draw some of the furry whiskers and hair that come from the sides and the ears as well. It's one of my favorite Pokemons just because I love the color purple, and it is the perfect shade of like lilac color. What is your favorite color? Now, the reason I ask is, as we're coloring this, I'm realizing I might not have the right shade of purple for my ESPEON, and I just have to get creative and maybe have to use another color that's totally different than the original Pokemon. But that is okay. Doing art is about being creative and having fun with your colors. So if I have an orange ESPEON, that might be it. Or I can do a rainbow color one, and that is perfectly okay too. From here, you can see I'm going to work on the ears for my ESPEON, and it has like these long rounded ears, almost like a rabbit ear. ESPEON is a psychic type Pokemon that was introduced in Generation 2. It is part of the Sun Pokemon species, and I just love it so much because it's just so cute, and it's a very loyal Pokemon as well. Here I'm going to do the inner part of ESPEON's ear. Coming up, I'm going to be doing a couple of drawings from the Pokemon Evolution series for EEVEE. So that would include LEAFEON, Glaceon, and I know I will do the normal EEVEE as well. And I'm pretty excited about that because I know there are so many EEVEE fans out there, including my kids as well. So here I'm drawing in the eyes for my ESPEON. And of course, you don't have to do it exactly the same as mine. You can see that it's like more of a oval than is a perfect circle. But if you want your ESPEON to be a little bit cuter, I would do like large round eyes. Inside each of the eyes, I'm going to do a smaller circle to represent the pupil. And I'm going to leave that particular circle blank and white and color around it. And you can see for my ESPEON, I'm going to do a little nose, nothing big, just a cute little nose. And well, I'll probably add in a mouth as well. Of course, you can also change up the expression of your ESPEON. It could be super happy, super surprised, kind of sad, or like different types of expression. And the way that I convey expression could be through the eyes, through the mouth, or you can add eyebrows for your ESPEON as well. Now I'm going to start working on the forelegs for ESPEON, these cute little paws in the front. Of course, your ESPEON can be in a different position. It could be holding a sign that says happy birthday, or it could be holding a cake, or maybe it's just like sitting still and just waiting for its trainer. For my ESPEON, I'm now going to work on the neck, and this line's going to curl towards the back. And then here is the hind leg for my ESPEON. It's looking pretty cute so far, isn't it? I'm pretty excited about this one. I know for you to evolve ESPEON, you have to have really good friendship with your normal EEVEE before the evolution, and you do have to evolve it in the daytime. These are things that I'm learning along the way. Next, I'm going to draw ESPEON's tail, which actually splits at the end into like two different tails. I think that's so unique. So let's add in a tail that curls in the back. And now I'm done the outline for my ESPEON and I am ready to start coloring. And as I mentioned before, I don't think I have the exact right color for my ESPEON, which is okay. It just gives me an opportunity for me to try out using different colors and having fun with it. Now at this point, if your drawing doesn't look exactly the same as mine, that is okay. Keep in mind that I've practiced quite a bit and I'm probably a little bit older than you as well. So if you want to get better in your drawing, my secret for you is to keep practicing. Don't stop practicing. You will only get better with time. So don't lose faith, you can totally do this. So here I'm going to start coloring my ESPEON with my marker. I'm going to try my best to color within the lines and fill in any white gaps. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, and that is okay. We're not trying to be perfect. Each of our ESPEONs going to have a different style and a different look, and that's perfectly normal. The main important thing for doing artwork is having fun and enjoying the process. So here I'm going to continue coloring my ESPEON, and I'm going to come back and wrap up with the final look at this drawing and how it looks like at the end. So let's continue coloring our ESPEON. And here is the final finished drawing of our EEVEE evolution, the ESPEON. It is so cute. Purple is one of my favorite colors. And here is a closer look at this Pokemon drawing. Doesn't it look so awesome? Thank you so much for joining with me on this easy step-by-step drawing. Please comment below if there are other drawings of other Pokemons you would like me to do in the future. Well, that's it for now. I will see you in the next video. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.